her question is, she likes the program. What about apartment complexes? This is something that we've worked on. We've talked to the mayor of Little Rock about it. One of the big problems we run in when we approach apartment complexes about recycling is there has to be a location on the parking lot for us to get our truck in to collect it, of course, and bring it to the facility. So the logistics of getting it from the apartment down to a location where we can physically get a truck in there to get it picked up and hauled off. Apartment complexes, when they're built and designed, are required by code to have so many parking spots, okay? The apartment manager, he doesn't, whenever they build these apartments, they do not add extra parking spots, okay? Because they're renting apartments, not spots. So many of the older apartments in Little Rock, North Little Rock, Sherwood area, they have the minimum number of parking spots. They don't want to give that up for a can and the area in front of it that it takes to get it there. So we are working on that. It's a give and take on that. We go to the apartment complex manager or owner and we say, look, if you'll let us put this card in here or this can, we can reduce the number of times that your trash service picks up. So although we're going to charge you to come get it, we can reduce it and offset the cost by reducing the number of trash pulls that you get, but it's going to go into the recycle bin. I know that's not a real good answer for you and not a fix for you, but that's one of the issues. And what he said was, he bragged on us. He said it does a real good job, and the amount of recyclables has offset his trash bill, so it works out like we think it should. We went into a trial project with about 3 or 4 different apartment complexes a little over a year ago. Certain apartment complexes, and not to go down the road very far, it worked out great. We got very good participation. We got very good material out of it. There were certain apartment complexes that we got crap. I mean, we got everything out of it. We got tire chains. We got beds. Should have called you. They weren't much use after we put them through the truck, though. But we got deer. We got everything out of it. So we went back to the apartment manager and we said, look, it's not worth it to us. We cannot continue doing it because it's turned into a trash dump instead of a recycle bin. So, okay.